Next, if 1 upon 5 is to 1 upon x equals to 1 upon x is to 1 upon 125, then the value of x is 0. What is given is 1 upon 5 is to 1 upon x equals to 1 upon x is to 1 upon 125. So what does it mean? Is to means divide always. So just write divide. 1 upon 5 divided by 1 upon x equals to 1 upon x divided by 125. Now this divide should be converted to multiply. So this right hand side figure will get reversed. So 1 upon 5 into x equals to 1 upon x into 1 upon 125. Okay. Then cross multiply. X on this side, 5 on this side. So x square equals to 125 into 5, right? That is 625. X square equals to 625. Therefore x equals to square root of 625. That is 25. So that will be the answer. Plus or minus 25, don't take it, because in this chapter you are not concerned with plus or minus. We always take it as plus. If the answer in the exam is given as plus or minus, then take that. Otherwise plus